So there's a whole range of activities we covered today in our workshop. It was a very interactive workshop. In fact, we went on a little bit longer than we had hoped because there was so much good conversations going on in the various groups that we had. It was a great event, and we always say that the event isn't just about us who are doing the presentation, it's also about those who are attending, how they interact with each other and the network they're building with each other.
It was really interesting to hear the pains, and it was also really fun to see that we could provide in one of the workshops with our tool an easy way to access innovation smoothly.
It was a very active and engaging event with about 40 companies, I think, all exploring their IP strategy options with expert guidance.
And I would certainly recommend you do get involved with IP training. I think IP training is really a super experience, not just for people who are IP managers, who are lawyers, but also for people right across the organisation to get more exposure to intellectual property, to intangible assets, to really understand how they can generate value from them in their organisation. And really, as one of the things that was said today, by recognising the value of intangible assets in your business, what you're doing is recognising the value of the individuals in your business. And by recognising the value of the individuals in your business, you're making them feel better about themselves. So what's not to like about that?